In today's competitive job market, well-crafted job descriptions are essential for attracting top talent and ensuring organizational success. Did you know that organizations with clear and accurate job descriptions experience up to 30% higher employee engagement and retention rates? Introducing the Job Description Writing Training Course, a comprehensive program designed to equip HR professionals with the skills and knowledge to create compelling and effective job descriptions that accurately capture job responsibilities, qualifications, and organizational culture. This hands-on course covers a wide range of topics, including job analysis techniques, writing clear and concise job summaries, identifying essential functions and competencies, and incorporating inclusive language and diversity considerations. Participants will learn how to craft job descriptions that not only attract qualified candidates, but also align with organizational goals and legal requirements. For organizations, investing in this training can lead to improved talent acquisition, reduced turnover costs, and a better cultural fit between employees and the company. By ensuring job descriptions accurately reflect the role and organizational values, companies can attract the right candidates and foster a motivated and engaged workforce. Individuals who complete this course will emerge as experts in job description writing, capable of crafting compelling and accurate job postings that resonate with top talent. They'll gain the skills to effectively communicate job requirements, highlight organizational culture, and create a positive first impression that sets the stage for successful recruitment and onboarding. Don't miss this opportunity to optimize your talent acquisition strategies and unlock the full potential of your organization's workforce. Enroll in the Job Description Writing Training course today and gain the expertise to craft job descriptions that attract and retain top talent. Seats are filling up quickly, so act now to secure your spot and elevate your HR game.